We'll start by taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and breathe out. Continue breathing in and breathing out. The wave of relaxation is moving up into your legs. Your legs are feeling heavy and relaxed. Continue staring at that spot. Your stomach is relaxing as you continue to focus on that spot. As your jaw relaxes, you can feel your mouth opening slightly, making it twice as heavy, twice as relaxed. The sound of my voice is making you sleepy and tired. Sleepy and tired.
I look and stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. You're mine.
All I'm really asking for is you.
You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Fuck what you heard, you're mine,
You're mine, long as you know who you belong to.
Open your eyes, fully coming back now, fully back, wide awake. That's right, wide awake.